I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and I'm looking today. We have a power outage here where I live in California, and I'm looking at how my off-grid solar panel system is working for that. So I designed this system to be a backup power if there is an outage, because we do get those in California, and right now, again, we have one. So I'm just taking a peek behind here. The good news is that my battery, I can look at this charge controller, the battery was at about 14 volts when I looked at it. So this is, and that was down to 13.2, but still plenty of power in the battery there, so hopefully that'll last for a bit. This is my Renogy battery that's being charged up by these panels. Not that bright of a day, so we're getting a little bit of extra power from the sun, but not too much. We're mostly going to be relying on the battery. And then we've got our inverter, again, tucked in under here, that's running and drawing power, and then this power cord running into the house. So I'm going to hook up my computer to it so I can hopefully continue to still use that and to work during this outage. So this is where I've got my extension cord coming into the house. And for this temporary setup, normally I run this to my gadget charger here, but for this temporary setup, I've just taken another extension cord, just running it across the floor over here. I've got my computer and all my streaming equipment and everything all plugged into that. And you can see this is running well here. So this is running off of the solar. We'll see how long the runtime is. I'm not sure how much this will run the battery down there, but it is currently running off of the solar panels and that big battery backup. And this works exactly how I hope, that I can continue to operate here and use my computer system even when the power is out.